In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create consistent character designs using character reference sheets, and we'll be doing this for free with the help of ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. Have you ever been in the situation where your characters look different in every single scene? It's like they're changing outfits or hairstyles every few minutes. This can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to maintain a cohesive look throughout your story. But don't worry, I've got a solution for you that's simple and effective. To get started, the first thing you'll need is a photo of the character for whom you want to generate the reference sheet. This could be an image you found online, a drawing you made, or even just an inspiration picture that embodies your character's essence. Whatever it is, make sure it clearly represents what you have in mind for your character. Once you have your chosen image ready, we're going to head over to ChatGPT. This is a fantastic tool that can help you generate all kinds of creative content. So let's move on to the upload part. Open up ChatGPT and look for the option to upload your photo. It's generally a straightforward process. Just grab the file and upload it into the chat. After you've successfully uploaded your image, you're going to need to input a prompt for ChatGPT. This is where the magic really happens. Your prompt should be something along the lines of, create a character reference sheet for this image. It's important to be specific in the prompt to ensure that ChatGPT understands exactly what you're looking for. You might want to mention particular attributes you would like highlighted in the reference sheet, such as clothing details, character traits, color schemes, or anything else that will give a clearer picture of the character. Now, after you've crafted and pasted your prompt into ChatGPT, it's time to sit back and let it work its magic. Keep in mind that sometimes it might take a minute or two for the character reference sheet to generate, so be patient. It's just like waiting for food to cook. The best results come with a little patience. And voila! In no time at all, you should have your character reference sheet ready. This sheet will typically include sketches, color palettes, clothing descriptions, and character traits that will help you visualize your character consistently across all your scenes. Not only will this help prevent your character from looking different in each scene, but it also makes it much easier for you to remember details about their personality and backstory. If you're writing a novel, working on a screenplay, or even creating a comic, having this kind of reference sheet can be incredibly beneficial. It serves as a quick guide you can glance at to make sure you're capturing the essence of your character every time they appear in your work. Think of it as your character's dossier, laying out everything you need to know from their physical appearance to their emotional traits. In summary, creating character reference sheets with ChatGPT is a breeze. By following the steps I shared today, you'll not only save time but also produce characters that have more depth and consistency. Just remember to choose a specific image for reference, upload it, use a clear prompt, and be patient as it generates the results. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more creative tips and tricks. Happy writing, and I can't wait to see the amazing characters you create.